Today we're going to talk about this little guy right here. This is the Delonghi Pixie. This is a very small little espresso lungo machine. It uses capsules like these ones here. These are little aluminum capsules. They come from different brands, and there's about 5 or 6 grams of pretty finely ground coffee in there. And this machine by Delonghi has been designed exactly for this purpose, to extract coffee out of these little pods. So we're just going to try it out today. We're going to measure the temperature, give it a little taste, and see what it's like. So the first thing about this, there is a thermal block in there, and it only takes about 30 seconds or so to warm up. What I can recommend doing to make your shot even a little bit better, a little hotter, and maybe extract a little bit better is just to run an empty shot first. There is nothing in here right now, so I'm just going to close it up and hit the button. All right, so now the brew group is warmed up a little bit better, and we can go ahead and put our capsule in there, which is very easy. All you have to do is lift the lever here. This piston moves forward. You just drop it in like that. Easy as pie. Close it again, and now we are ready to pull our shot. Now, another nice thing about this is you do have 2 buttons. You got a smaller button you can use for something like an espresso, and you got a second button that you can use for a longer espresso like a lungo, or you can use it for coffee. So I'm just going to press down the small button, and it's going to remember that for the next time that I put a capsule in and press that button, the amount that I get out here. So let's do it. You just have to keep holding it down the whole time until you reach the volume that you want. I'd say it looks pretty good just like that. The next thing that we're going to do is check the temperature on it and see how warm it is. All right, so let's see, what have we got here? 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, that is really quite hot. And the taste is essentially an espresso lungo. It's not really an espresso because you're pulling out a lot. That's probably right around 30 or 35 grams. And with the input being about 5 grams, that's about a 6-to-1 ratio. So you can't really call it an espresso because espresso is just like a 2-to-1 ratio, but this is still more of like a compact coffee or something like an espresso lungo. And for that, and for the ease of use considered, it's pretty good. You don't have very much depth in flavor, if I'm being honest, but if you just want a quick, short little coffee in the mornings, then the Delonghi Pixie might be a good option for you. And that's all you have to do is drop out the capsule there. So using this is very easy. That's what the capsule looks like afterwards. It gets punctured in the back, and in the front it forms like a shower screen, and it extracts. Now, for me personally, I'm coming from an espresso machine, a portafilter type espresso machine. So I'm used to like a 15 to 18 gram dose. And therefore this for me doesn't pack quite the punch, if I'm being honest. But if you want to use this maybe in your, I don't know, Airbnb, or if you want to use it for somebody who doesn't want quite as much caffeine, that could be a good choice, and it's very easy to use. Pretty cool little machine. This thing is tiny. And it's got metal sides on it. I forgot to mention the materials. It's got a really hard plastic on top. It's got a little water tank on the back. I mean, super simple to use. Just 1 power button, 2 buttons to start different volume extractions, and yeah, just cute little machine. It does also have, by the way, an LED inside on the left and the right, so you can kind of see how full your container is getting here of capsules. And I guess that's about all there is to say about the Delonghi Pixie. Thanks for watching. I hope that the video was helpful for you. And until next time, I say happy coffee drinking and happy espresso lungo drinking. Bye now.